Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SENCOR Sirius Max SSS 6800 and I'm going to show you how can you easily disconnect from this speaker in your Android phone. To do so, we have to open settings. At first we have to open connected devices in these settings and then we have to click this gear icon near our speaker. Here, as you can see, is a big button called disconnect. We have to just click on this button. And after that, to connect, we have to click on connect button. The second method is holding on minus and plus at the same time. And as you can see, it's working. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.